Hi, everybody, and welcome to Chapter 6. This chapter is Guiding Behavior and Managing the Classroom. And the whole idea is to guide children into positive behaviors and away from any disruptive behaviors. And hopefully that will, with skills that you'll learn through this chapter, you'll figure out ways to manage problems before they even start by managing expectations that you have of children and that they can have of you, and just being realistic in goals and some strategies of just how to speak and things to pay attention to. And the reason that that fits into curriculum planning, which is what this class is because how can we expect to possibly get through any curriculum if we have a disruptive classroom? So we absolutely have to make sure that the classrooms go smoothly and that people can get along and have a good learning environment. And of course, just a positive experience at school. We want them to enjoy their time with you during the day. So you've got 3 assignments this week. You have some video questions, which is why I'm not going into a whole lot of detail in this video because these videos here say it as well as I possibly could. And so I was glad to find these, and then I created some questions that go with them. So you'll download this document, answer the questions, and then upload the document. Your next assignment is a quiz over information from the chapter. And then you have 2 weeks to complete this assignment, only because it might require some scheduling on your part because you need to work with another person and you need to set 30 minutes aside of observation. And so since that might take some scheduling, I gave you an extra week on it. You're going to look at this side of the screen if you have your own classroom. If you are the lead teacher, you're going to look at this side of the classroom. If you don't have your own classroom, either because you're an aide, you're volunteering, maybe you're a floater, or maybe you're a supervisor. So you're going to try to see what environmental factors impact behavior in a particular classroom. So that's what this assignment guides you to, is just being observant of, hey, over here, there tend to be a lot of negative interaction, or maybe hopefully you'll see some positive interaction in particular areas. But if you see an area with a lot of negative interaction, then you want to see what might be causing that and try to explore that. So this is asking you to reflect on some of those things. Like I said, you've got an extra week on it. So that is our week. In addition, I want to remind you to be working on your key assessment. What you should be doing, if you haven't already, is working on the top part of each of those charts. So we'll look at them again. We talked about these in our Zoom meeting, but you're going to be filling in what the ideal block area would be and answering all these questions just on this one page. And then it goes into where you're observing block areas. And then you've got your ideal dramatic play area. And so just make sure that you're following directions on those. This is what you think the perfect dramatic play area would be. And you're answering all those questions, ideally, before you then go observe and see how each environment is meeting those expectations. So be busy working on that and pace yourself so that you have time to work on it. Please reach out if you have any questions or concerns, and I'd love to hear from you.